with everything regarding Section 3, regarding account problems and all that stuff going on with Amazon, I think it's the perfect time for a reminder of something that I've told you over and over and over again, which is, if you see someone that has been selling on Amazon for over 2 years and that is still going strong, selling on Amazon, you best believe that this guy or girl has been through a lot of bullshit with Amazon. And to be honest, it is true with every single business if you go full time, okay? Because I want you guys to realize that it is actually really, really stressful, that you are going to go through a lot of stress, especially with Section 3s coming. Whenever you're going to go through a Section 3, it is going to be stressful. I'm telling you, it is going to be stressful. And the reason why I want to make this video, and what I'm going to talk about in this video, is about the fact that you actually need to be strong, right? If you want to be in business, okay, if you do not want to depend on anybody, you are going to need to be strong mentally, because I'm telling you, it is not easy, all right? So this is what we're going to talk a little bit about in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I've been selling on Amazon for a couple of years now, and I make videos just like this one on YouTube explaining how to actually sell on Amazon, and I have a ton of content for free. I release one video that you can actually see in the description. So, as I said, and I'm not necessarily going to talk about Amazon, but just know that it relates to Amazon a little bit, right? But I want to talk about the fact, more specifically about the fact that everybody goes through stuff, okay? All the time, every single day, everybody goes through stuff, okay? You do not have it hard. Like, you probably do not have it hard. If you live in the Western world, I'm telling you, you do not have a hard life. You have an easy life. Life may throw shit at you from time to time, but you are actually living an easy life, right? So if it is a Section 3 that you are dealing with, if it is another that they complain, if it is whatever, it's not the end of the world. I'm telling you, it's not the end of the world, okay? And the reason why I'm telling you all this is because there's really two types of people in the world, okay? The first type is the people that keep complaining about what is happening to them over and over and over and over again, all the time, okay? That want you to make you feel pity, like, towards them when they talk to you, because just they are not strong mentally, okay? The truth is that you're gonna meet a lot of people like this in your life, all right? Some people that have like minor stuff happening to them all the time, and are going to make it seem like it's actually the end of the world. The other type is people that have stuff happening to them, but that stay strong and keep going, right? And the truth is that the reason why I'm telling you all this is because what I want you to get is that stuff is going to get hard, but it does not matter if stuff is hard or stuff is easy right now. You just need to know that when stuff is easy, stuff is about to get hard, like 100%. You are never going to be able to rest. Stuff is going to get hard eventually, okay? You are going to have highs, but the lows are going to come eventually, and so you cannot just stay for the high and leave when the lows are there. The most important part of success is showing up every single day, okay? And if you actually look at my YouTube channel, this is what I've been doing. The reason why I'm able to make an income from this YouTube channel, even if I do not have a lot of subscribers just yet, even if whatever, and it's like, you know, you can argue it, because most YouTube channels do not go over 100 subscribers, let alone 1,000, right? But the most important thing that you need to know is that you need to keep going every single day. The reason why I'm telling you all this is because there's one thing that I actually regret in my life, right? And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it. So a couple of years ago, you know, I was going through some stuff that was really, really difficult. Part of it was that at one point my Amazon business that was giving me that was starting to give me a decent income, got suspended. And I had a whole lot of other things happening in my life. Stuff was really, really not easy. And one thing that I regret doing is stopping to go to the gym, stopping to work out, okay? And it's not just because of that, okay? It's not just 100% because of that, but I'm telling you, you can say that I was depressed. I was still working every single day on getting my account back, on doing a lot of stuff, but I was really depressed. I did not have my account for 6 months. A lot of other stuff. My grandpa passed away, and it was really feeling like that specific year. Bad stuff was happening upon bad stuff about bad stuff upon bad stuff upon bad stuff all the time. And I'm not going to lie, I was going to the gym, and this is the time when I was actually buffed. Okay, I was really, really big because I was working out every single day, and I was really taking care of my body like a lot at that time. And I'm not going to lie, but like when all that stuff actually happened, I actually stopped going to the gym. I said, you know what, I go to the gym, but I do not even feel like working out. I was really depressed, and like my mind was just focused on business, trying to get these things sorted out, and actually trying to make money to be able to survive. Because like my Amazon business that was actually like about to blow up, actually truly blew up as well, but like blew up anyways, but like not in the same sense, because I was actually suspended, right? So, as I said, the thing that I regret the most at that time is actually giving up on, sports, okay? On actually going to the gym, all that stuff. Because I could have just kept going, but like maybe just a little bit, but at least not stop, all right? And it is the same thing with everything, okay? You just need to show up every single day. Even if I was just showing up, doing 2 sets, doing 1 exercise, I should have kept going, and I actually stopped doing it, and I actually regret it right now, because what happened after that is that I started again, but I got injured, and same thing, like I got an injury at the triceps, okay? I was still actually kind of big at that time, but I got an injury, and then I said, I was not even able to run, because it was like the insertion of the triceps, like that was the insertion close to the back, right? So whenever you move your arms, it was hurting, so I was not able to run either. And because of that, I said, you know what, let me rest, let me not work out at all. But to be honest, what I should have done is still stay in the gym. And if the only thing that I was able to do was squatting, I should have done it. If the only thing that I was able was to squat without the bar, I should have done it. But I should have done a little something every single day, and I stopped doing it, okay? And I actually regret doing that. And this is why you should always keep going. It does not matter what's happening. You need to find a way to keep going, okay? Even if it's just a little something, you need to find a way to show up. Even if you don't feel like it right now, but if you don't actually show up, you are going to regret it, okay? And this is the point that I wanted to hit with this video. But let's get back a little to me telling you that there's 2 types of people, as I said. There's a type of people that are going to complain there's going to be some minor stuff happening to them, okay? And they are going to complain about it. They're going to cry about it, and you're going to say, you're going to tell yourself when you're going to talk to them, you're going to realize that whatever they're crying about is some bullshit. And I actually have someone that I know that is just like that, and I actually stopped talking to that person, stopped replying, I should say. Because you get pissed off, talking to these people. If I have a friend going through something, of course I'll always be there. But when it's something like some minor stuff happening and you keep crying like a bitch about it, there's nothing that I can do about it for you. I'm telling you, there's nothing that I can do about it. Because you need to realize something, okay? Life is hard for everybody. Life is hard for everybody, okay? It's not a reason to act like a bitch. It's not a reason to act badly. Life is hard for everybody, okay? You may realize it or not, but life is hard for everybody. Life is hard for me as well, okay? You may think that I have an easy life. I'm traveling all the time. I'm living stress-free. Life is never going to be stress-free. I'm telling you. The way your mind works is that you are always going to look for problems to solve, okay? And it does not matter if your goal right now is to bring your business to $100,000 a month, $200,000 a month. You best believe the minute you actually reach that point, it's going to feel good for a couple of days, okay? And let's bring it even lower, okay? Because let's just bring it to $10,000 a month. You're going to feel amazing when you're going to reach $10,000 a month, all right? If it's your first business actually doing that. After a couple of days, the high is going to go down, and If that was your whole goal and you don't have any goal after that, I'm telling you, like, life is going to suck. I'm telling you, because like you're going to feel depressed because you're not going to chase anything. And if you think that that was going to solve your problem, it is not going to solve your problem. You can have revenues as high as you want. You will always find something to complain about. I'm telling you, okay? Life is going to be stressful anyway, okay? Because if you do not have a problem with your Amazon business, you're going to have a problem with something else that you can think about. I'm telling you, all right? I'm telling you from experience. There's going to be something else that you need to think about. It's always going to be something else, right? So life is always going to be stressful. Life is always going to throw shit at you. You just need to get used to it, all right? Especially if you're young, you best like believe me. Life is going to throw shit at you all the time, okay? Life is going to be hard. Life is not supposed to be easy. Shit is going to be hard. It's not going to be easy at all, okay? Whatever you want to do, you are going to have obstacles on the way. And life is hard, and life has been hard for everybody. So stop complaining and get to work and act like a regular guy, okay? Not necessarily like a regular guy, but like, do not use that as an excuse. This is going to be the main point of this video, actually. Do not use the fact that life has been hard to you as an excuse to act like a bitch, to cry like a bitch, to not do what you're supposed to do, to not take care of your family if you're a man, to not do your homework if you're at school, to not study if you're in college. I don't care. Life is hard for everybody. And there's somebody out there that life is way harder than you that is still going. So why are you not going anymore? Why? There's no reason to, because you're a bitch. Stop being a bitch. Go back to work, okay? You are a man, even if you are a woman. Like, because to be honest, I don't even need to say that, because most women are not even bitches like most men are, okay? Because they are going to keep going. But like a lot of you guys, not you, but a lot of people that are like the worst bitches that I know, the people that act like bitches the most that I know are women. Yes, life is hard. Just get over it. Go back to work. Stop acting like a bitch. Set some goals. Go after them. And even if you don't reach these goals, it does not matter. Keep working towards them, because this is what is going to motivate. Like, I'm telling you, this is all life's about. Whenever you're going to reach a goal that you've been working on for 10 years, you're going to realize that actually, like, the first thing that you are going to say is all this for that. Because what is important is the journey. What is going to bring you joy is the journey. It's not the destination. And I'm telling you, the destination is not going to bring you joy. If you think that reaching 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, $1 million, $5 million, $10 million in revenue is going to solve your problems, it is not, okay? Life is still going to be hard one way or another. Life is still going to suck one way or another. Just make it worth it. Just keep going. Stop acting like a bitch. You'll be alright, okay? Just keep showing up every single day, even if you don't want to, and I guarantee that the results are going to follow. That's it. That's the video. Hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was helpful, okay, even if you see this video in 5 years, I don't care. Just leave a comment or just send me a message and tell me, oh, this video really helped me. I hope it's going to help you. Stop being a bitch. That's it. That's the video. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.